Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do my giveaway for my hidden giveaway that I was having in one of my past videos. I believe it posted this past Saturday, and today is April 1st. It was for a set of note cards. 1, 2, 3. They're all handmade by me. And so all you had to do was put the word birdhouse in your comment. And so I do have the random picker up. I'm going to zoom in. And I do have my URL in. It does say filter duplicate users. Filter comments based on a specific text. I put the word birdhouse. Get YouTube comments. There are 2 unique users, and I know who both of them are. Thank you so much, Tree, and thank you so much, Cheryl from Cheryl'sCraftyWorld.com. And so good luck to the both of you. I appreciate you watching my video to the end. And let's start the picker. Good luck! Da, 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 da. And the winner is Cheryl's from Cheryl's Crafty World. Thank you so much, girl. I do have your address, so I'm just gonna mail it out to you. Again, thank you so much, Tree, for all your support to my channel. Thank you, Cheryl. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys are both having a crafty week. And until the next video, everybody, shakas!